How to change your phone number on Google Business Profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to change your phone number on Google Business Profile, here are the steps that you need to follow. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser. Then after, go to Google Business Profile Manager. Make sure you are signed into the Google account linked to your business. If you have multiple business profiles, tap on the one in which you want to make the edit. Once that is done, you will see a screen like this. Tap on Edit Profile and here are different options. Tap on the second tab for Contact and then tap on the Edit button for Phone Number. First of all, you can select the code or the country code for the phone number. Then after, you can add the primary phone number that you want to change to. Make sure it is a valid phone number. Once that is done, you have to tap on the Save button. Keep in mind it can take up to 10 minutes to be reviewed and finally change your edit. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.